You know that your favorite Biscoff style cookies have roots in St. Nicholas Day traditions? Today I'm sharing my best recipe for these crisp caramelized spiced cookies, along with the story behind them. But before we start, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss more real recipes and interesting culinary stories. These are aromatic crunchy cookies filled with the flavors of caramel and warm spices. But what many people may not know is that these cookies have a much longer history. Biscoff is a commercial name created by a Belgian brand and later launched in the mass production. The name itself comes from the word biscuit and coffee, Biscoff, but the roots of these cookies go much deeper. In Belgium, cookies like this were baked as early as the 17th century. They were called Speculoos, a word connected to the idea of a mirror. The design was transferred onto the cookies like a reflection, because the dough was pressed into wooden molds covered with different ornaments and images of saints. Historically, these cookies were most often baked for St. Nicholas Day. Over time, these cookies conquered the world and became a favorite for many people. Later, Biscoff spread was also created, and today its popularity can be compared to Nutella and other famous sweet spreads. The good news is that making these cookies at home is very simple. So today I'm sharing the recipe with you. So let's begin. I whipped the butter and brown sugar together. Then I added the egg and whipped everything again for another 1 or 2 minutes. After that I added the dry ingredients, mixture that I had prepared in advance: flour, salt, vanilla and spices. At this stage I no longer use the mixer. The aroma is already incredible in the kitchen. I placed the finished dough in the refrigerator. It needs at least 2 hours to chill. Then I rolled it out to about 3-4 millimeters thick and cut out the desired shapes. I don't have a proper pastry stamp for this type of cookies, but I do have old salt cellars and glasses with engraved bottoms, so I use them to decorate the cookies. Before baking, I place the cookies in the refrigerator for a few more minutes. This helps them to keep their shape during baking and keeps the ornaments on the surface more clearly defined. I bake them in a preheated oven using top and bottom heat at 180 degrees Celsius is the same as 355 degrees Fahrenheit. In my oven, they needed about 15 minutes. These cookies can be safely stored at room temperature in an airtight container for 2 or 3 weeks. And one more thing, these cookies are usually not eaten immediately after baking, because over 1 or 2 days they become even tastier. In short, like many Northern and Central European baked goods, Biscoff-style cookies benefit from resting and maturing. I recommend making them. Thank you for watching until the end.